Okay, so today's project is working on the bed area and getting the all of the wool in place, and then putting on the 1x2s here to be able to screw down the paneling I bought for the garage. And this is some string. So the Havelock, a video I watched for how to install the Havelock wool is to just string it up like this. And so my daughter and I have been working on stringing the van first, because I did the other side earlier and I stuffed this rib before I put the string through, and that's a no-no. So don't, first string and then stuff. All right. And here is the after. We did this side this morning. So that looks nice. And I made the template to go around this wheel. So tomorrow I can just take that off the wall and put it on my wood and cut that out. And then hopefully, put up my attachment boards and then screw it on, and then do the same for the other side. So I'm going to continue with putting the insulation in the walls, and then do hopefully the paneling tomorrow just for the garage. Maybe I'll move up into this part of the wall. Haven't decided. Hopefully it'll all come together as it is in my head, and it'll all be smooth sailing. So until then, I'll have it on, yeah. Okay, really quick, while I'm stuffing this wall, I gotta get the light so I'm not dark. Hey, I'm stuffing this wall right now, and so I'm removing these black plates, and I'll then push the insulation in there as far down as it goes. Work it back till it stops, work it forward, and just keep stuffing all the way down until that's full. And then I'll do the same up through here, fill in this hole, and just work my way around the whole wall. And so that'll be the time lapse next, is what you're seeing I'm doing. I just wanted to give you a audio on that really quick. Okay. Okay, so cutting the template wasn't too hard. However, paper is very malleable and wood is not so much. So when I was doing the coming back in, I had to go back and forth a couple times just to get it quite, you know, get it fitting nicely. I had to move this stuffing. Anyway, I'll move that later. So it fits nicely along my rib there that I'm gonna screw it into. Looks good up there, and then I'm pushing this in, and look what happened. Snap it. Just, whoops. So a little wood glue, a little paint, that'll be okay. Same up there, and then I can screw it in and it'll be fine. It's just covering all the insulation, right? It still functions. All right, I'll get back to it.